I know that learning a new language can be challenging, and at times it may feel like you're not making progress or that you will never be able to speak English fluently. But I want to encourage you to keep going and to not give up. Remember, learning a new language is a journey, not a destination. It takes time and effort, but it's also an exciting and rewarding experience. As the quote goes, the only limits are always those of vision. One of the most important things to keep in mind is to not be too hard on yourself. It's natural to make mistakes when learning a new language. And it's through these mistakes that we learn and grow. As Winston Churchill once said, success is not final, failure is not fatal, it's the courage to continue that counts. Another important tip is to stay motivated and to find ways to make learning English enjoyable. Find sources that you enjoy, such as books, movies, or music in English, and try to immerse yourself in the language as much as possible. Also, consider finding a language exchange partner or joining a study group to practice speaking. As Confucius said, choose a job you love and you will never have to work a day in your life. Most importantly, believe in yourself and your ability to learn English. As Henry Ford famously stated, whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right. So keep up the hard work and don't let setbacks discourage you. With determination and positive attitude, you can achieve your goals of learning English. Sincerely, Professor Walid Khalid.